Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood and link your crypto wallet. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. If you are using the app, tap on the Robinhood icon to launch it. For website users, enter the Robinhood URL in your browser's address bar. Once the app or website loads, locate the login button. Tap on the login button to proceed to the login screen. Enter your registered email address or phone number in the provided field. After entering your email or phone number, click on the Continue button. Now, enter your password in the designated password field. If you have forgotten your password, follow the prompts to reset it. Once you've entered your login credentials, tap on Login to access your account. You should now be on your Robinhood home screen. To link your crypto wallet, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner of the app. On the website, find the account icon in the upper right corner. In the account menu, select investing or crypto depending on your app version. Next, scroll down to find the option labeled Crypto Wallets. Tap on Crypto Wallets to access wallet settings. Choose the option to add or link a new wallet. Follow the instructions provided to enter your wallet's information. Make sure to double-check your wallet address for accuracy. After entering your wallet details, tap on Link Wallet to complete the process. You may need to verify the linking through a confirmation process. Once verified, your crypto wallet will be linked to your Robinhood account. You can now easily deposit or withdraw crypto using your linked wallet. Ensure everything is set up correctly before trading or transferring funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.